W day at the courts today, man. W day at the courts. It looks like a W day in crypto. Make sure you like and subscribe, engage with the video. I want to put y'all on to some upcoming events in Crypto Catalyst, and of course, TA for BitTensor Tau. So if you like these type of videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what you did this weekend, or let me know what you did to Sunday. Make sure to comment. It helps with the engagement in the video. I really need you guys to comment because I've been shadow banned. So comment in the video. Let me know what you think about crypto or how your weekend was. Anything. Just put something in the comments. All right. So let's get into this week. Now, we had some pretty bullish news this weekend that's supporting the support that we see in crypto, right? Well, we just got the EU deal, so 0 tariffs on U.S. goods into EU, 15 tariffs on EU goods coming into the U.S. EU purchases U.S. military equipment, 750 billion in U.S. energy purchases. Let me know in the comments what you think about this trade deal with the EU. And then we got a tariff pause and extend on the tariff pause between China and the U.S. and it's 90 days. So this is the perfect setup headed into the FOMC meeting that we do have on Tuesday, right? Of course, there's a 90% chance. Expect volatility going into a Monday and Tuesday just because we do have this FOMC meeting and we do have highlights throughout the week. So we get the consumer report on the 29th, the JOLTS job report also on the 29th. Again, the Fed meeting is actually on Wednesday. I don't know why I said Tuesday, but it's actually on Wednesday. My apologies. It says rates likely held steady. Powell's press conference critical for December. I don't want to go through all of this because I did put this inside the Patreon. So if you're in the Patreon, you may have seen the video or the post. But these are some of the things that we do have this upcoming week. So if you need to pause the video and kind of check out what's going on, feel free to pause the video. This is my personal trader playbook going into this week based on our model. We'll be paying attention to the volatility. Heavy data this week. Fed decision equals major price swings expected. So volatility going into this Fed meeting on Wednesday. Wednesday pressure is the key event. Dovish equals rally, hawkish may equal a pullback because we are in that overbought territory. So it's a good chance that we see altcoins and even Bitcoin pull back if Powell is hawkish, just because the cryptocurrency on the weekly stock RSI does sit in overbought territory. On the flip side, we actually bullish when you look at the ultimate RSI. You also got USD and yields. Monitor the DXY. DXY has been in a very, very nice spot for crypto to do well. And, just practice good risk management, of course. Now, what I'm personally looking at are cryptos like Tau. BitTensor Tau is looking to print this confirmation candle above the 50-day moving average. For my opinion, is bullish. We got the stock RSI not in the overbought area, but looking to push up. So I like where Tau is closing out this week and the potential to start off the week good. Maybe a little bit rocky again Monday and Tuesday, but if the Fed is dovish, we'll see projects like Tau continue to run to the upside. As you can see, the ultimate RSI is above the orange line. So in my opinion, this is bullish. The Tau ecosystem is growing over time. You're seeing this is the Tau staked over in D Tau, right, in alpha. People are buying subnets contrary to the correction that we are seeing in the subnets, and people are staking their Tau. Like, we're at all-time highs of the Tau that's actually staked. So this is telling you people are buying, whatever, staking, contributing to the ecosystem, not really worrying about their holdings, similar to what we see from Bitcoin whales. And I really like the tokenomics with Tau. I think that there's an opportunity right now with holding Tau en route. Sometimes you don't always have to be a degen in the subnets. If we are, if it does look like the altcoins are going to rally, then the top 100s will rally first. So you'll probably see Tau rally and then the subnets opposed to the subnets first. Excuse my stomach, guys. My stomach is rumbling because I am hungry. Now, to Tau BTC, we got a little work to do, right? If BTC does correct, there could be a little bit of bleeding from Tau. I want to see Tau get above the 50-day moving average here on the Tau BTC chart. That right now is serving as resistance, but if we can get above all of that, that's positive. Yes, that is my stomach. My stomach is rumbling. And the Tau dominance also is continuing in an uptrend as well, looking to continue in the uptrend as we are above that orange line on the ultimate RSI. Again, facing resistance. You can see these 2 wick candles here. Facing resistance here at the 50-day. But if the dominance can break these moving averages and turn them into support, this would support a nice, good move from Tau as far as price action. Now, people always say, oh, Tau is like $400 worth of coin. Guys, it has the same tokenomics as Bitcoin. So like this AI marketplace gets adopted, we're talking about a token that could be 1,000, 1,500, 3,000 per token or even higher. So just keep that in mind, that this is a scarcity token. This is a token that has a lot of potential because of the AI narrative. We're seeing liquidity pour into AI daily and weekly from an institutional standpoint. Is literally something that is embedded into humanity at this point. So in my opinion, the number one narrative, the number one bet in of all risk on assets, in my opinion, is the artificial intelligence sector. But again, that is just my opinion. There's other good tokens out there, but this is my favorite AI token, and the metrics, TA, the charts, there's everything's looking really, really good as long as we can continue to push to the upside in the altcoin market. So let's keep our eyes on Monday and Tuesday. Expect volatility, but if Powell gives any type of hint, right? If he gives any type of hint that this could be the last pause and from here on out we're going to get cuts, altcoins are going to absolutely explode. We've been suppressed for almost a year, guys. So a good rally. This is not like a real rally. A good rally where we see Tau roll to 700-800 and maybe $1,000 is what I'm expecting if we can get some type of dovish move or hint of a dovish move from Powell, right? That's like the final boss. We got so many catalysts already set up. That's the last one that's going to set us up, because think about it. We ain't got to worry about the tariffs with China for 90 days. The EU just struck a deal. Trump's been striking deals with these tariffs. So that's bullish. That's bullish, right? And if we can get out of quantitative tightening, we don't really need to get into QE, right? Because that's going to cause inflation to come back. I want to be completely transparent here. But if we can get some cuts, that's good for the market, right? We're already seeing banks getting involved with crypto. Crypto laws are being tailored to be pro crypto. We're just in an environment, man, where I really think we can do good, man. And regardless of what tokens you guys are focusing on, I just want to, kind of walk you through my journey in crypto. Let me know what you think, what's going to happen next week. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.